Hello, everyone. Today, we're excited to introduce an innovative and versatile living solution, the 40-Fit Dual-Wing Expandable Container. This dual-wing expandable container measures 11.8 meters in length when fully expanded, 6.14 meters in width, and 2.48 meters in height. The interior space is spacious and bright, with a total area of 72 square meters. It features custom-made thermal break aluminum sliding doors, paired with 10 soundproof and insulated thermal break aluminum windows. The layout adopts a 3-bedroom, 2 living room, 1 kitchen, and 1 bathroom design, fully meeting the living needs of families. The flooring is wood-patterned SPC stone plastic flooring, giving off a particularly warm vibe. The walls are clad in light gray bamboo wood fiber panels, with gray decorative strips on the ceiling, adding a sense of depth to the space. Next, let's step into the master bedroom. Here you'll find a double bed, bedside table, and 2 large wardrobes measuring 2 by 0.8, fulfilling all your storage needs. For the bathroom, we've designed a dry-wet separation. The floor is covered with anti-slip tiles, while the walls feature moisture-resistant UV panels. The ceiling is equipped with an integrated bath heater that includes lighting, ventilation, and heating. Outside the bathroom, there's a wash basin, along with a reserved power outlet for installing a washing machine later. Let's take a look at the kitchen. It comes with corresponding power outlets and an integrated marble countertop. This spot is set up with a dining table for 4. In the kitchen area, we've reserved an exterior door leading to the backyard. If you're looking for an innovative and versatile living solution, consider our 40-Fit Dual-Wing Expandable Container